A significant financial blow is brewing for Russia. Its oil and gas revenue is projected to plummet by a staggering 35% in November. This downturn, as calculated by Reuters, paints a complex picture of economic challenges. Let's delve into the details. Specifically, Russia's oil and gas revenue is expected to drop to approximately $6.59 billion, equivalent to 520 billion rubles, in November. This represents a substantial decrease compared to the same month in 2024. But why the drop? The primary culprits are twofold: cheaper oil and a stronger ruble. The stronger local currency makes the same amount of oil revenue worth less in dollar terms. And this is the part most people miss: the value of oil itself has decreased. Reuters calculations show that the price of Russian oil for tax purposes has fallen to $57.30 per barrel between January and November, down from $68.30 during the same period in 2024. But here's where it gets controversial. The stronger ruble, trading at 81.1 per dollar compared to 91.7 during the same period in 2024, further contributes to the revenue decline. This impacts the Kremlin significantly, as oil and gas revenue is a critical source of funding, accounting for about a quarter of the total federal budget. Furthermore, the revenue is also expected to decrease by 7.4% compared to October, excluding cyclical payments of the profit-based tax. This decline is particularly painful for Russia, which has significantly increased its defense and security spending since the start of its military campaign in Ukraine in February 2022. Looking at the bigger picture, for the first 11 months of the year, the revenue is anticipated to fall by 22%, reaching 8 trillion rubles, which is on track to meet the 2025 target. Initially, the finance ministry aimed to earn 10.94 trillion rubles from oil and gas sales this year. However, due to falling oil prices, the expectation was revised down last month to 8.65 trillion rubles. Last year, oil and gas revenue reached 11.13 trillion rubles. What do you think? Does this financial strain significantly impact Russia's strategic decisions? Share your thoughts in the comments below.